My name's Stead. I'm the clinic administrator here at We Grow Hair. I graduated from Austin Peay State University with my degree in healthcare administration. I did my internship here at We Grow Hair. I knew I was looking for a small business that I could really make an impact on, and I kind of never left because it was such a good ethical and cultural fit here for me. When you think of hair restoration, before I was educated on it, I thought it was just an infomercial you see in the middle of the night. It looks like a scam to me, but when you come in, you immediately feel the atmosphere is so much different from that. We're a medical facility and we're treating real life problems for real life people, and it's something that I would recommend to my brother, to my husband. I wouldn't want him going anywhere else. What I love most is definitely the people. Both the staff and the patients. When patients come in, you can kind of see the defeat and the hopelessness on their face. They don't know that there's something that can help them. And then you see them come back in a year and they're like, this changed my life. They're happier, they're radiating, and they just feel more like themselves, truly. It kind of is just like a more humbling reminder of why we do what we do here. The staff is amazing. The medical staff really trains our medical consultants well in finding what's actually the best solution for our patients, whether that's treatment or surgery. Our job isn't to sell a patient. We just give the patients the information that they're looking for. We try to guide them and do what's best for them. As the clinic administrator, I want to be here for the long haul. I want to continue to make a difference in people's lives, and to guide and lead the staff here, because they're like my family, so I'm not going anywhere. So proud to work at We Grow Hair. It's an exceptional place to be.